Hi, I am going to describe my web page. It's the web page of Santa. Here you can see the output first. Then after that I'm going to describe you the code that I did. This is the output. Uh, look at, First of all, I want to describe you. Start from the beginning. Here's the logo. It's a SVG image in a circle, and in the center is the name, like my Santa. This is some decoration. It's a PNG images, both of them. After that, here's the navigation. In the navigation there are four links: home, gallery, contact us, about. In the gallery we can add images as we want, and contact us is the contact information. In about, it's all about the website. uh, After that, here I add the background only, but we can add here the slider, some of the images of Santa, but I like it, so I add the image only in the background. After that, here is the registration form. For the registration, I built this in the home page because first of all we have to register, then we can go to the further steps. We have to add our first name, then date of birth, then address, then email that you want to add so that you can sign in anytime. Here is the password, uh, here the input that we choose is password, so that it shows the dot only. Then the cell phone, then the submit, in the end it's a footer. So let's come to the coding. This is the CSS code, and this is the HTML code. So I'm going to start with the HTML code. Simply there, start with HTML header tag, body tag. In the header tag, as we have to give the CSS link, then I use the classes for every section so that I can design that properly. In the header and for the logo, and I give different name. As you can see, every class has different name. Then here's the image that I was talking. This is the PNG image. Then this is the navigation. Then the form. In the form I give text type, email, password as per requirement. Then in the last there's the submit button. As you can see, it's all the form. Then come to the CSS part. In the CSS, uh, uh, sorry, the logo photo. For every class I give height and width, and as you can see, a transparent, so it look white only. If I remove the transparent, the background looks red. Then I give class logo photo to the logo that you have seen in the corner. I only give height and width to the logo. Then for every font family in this website, I use this font family and sans serif for whole the project. And the size, it differs from you can see here the size is different in the header, and for sorry. And for register in the registration form, here the size is different, and you can see some of the like I give attributes to this font sign in here. I'll show you for sign in here. Yeah, this is like for H1 I give color red, sans serif, and the shadow. The shadow comes from this code. And for every input type, I combine this input here. Like we can write them separate also. But it's easy to so that the attribute for every input is same here, like text, email, number. As you can see, it's in block, width is 100% padding, and so on. And at the last there is a footer. Footer has only height and width and the background. So it's all my web page that you can see. Yeah, it's all about my web page. Thank you.